Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the clock in your Subaru Outback. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is running to power the display. Then, find the settings icon on your touchscreen. It usually looks like a gear. Tapping this icon will open the main settings menu where we can begin adjusting the time. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once you're in the main settings menu, look for the General tab. This tab contains various system preferences. Scroll down a bit until you see the date and time option. This is where all your clock settings are located. Tap on date and time to proceed to the screen where you can make your adjustments. We're almost there.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, just like a reliable car, you need reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable. You can find the link for them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now you're on the clock adjustment screen. You'll see options for hours and minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons next to each to set the correct time. Be sure to double-check both the hour and minute settings. Once you've made your adjustments, confirm your selections to save the new time. Your Outback's clock will now display the updated time. Some Outback models offer automatic time synchronization, which is great for daylight saving changes. If available, consider enabling it. After setting the time, simply press the back button to exit the settings. Finally, take a quick glance at your dashboard to ensure the clock is now displaying the correct time. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.